In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to setting up a new employee in Xero. We'll walk through sending a self-onboarding invite so your new hire can securely enter their own details, saving you time and reducing data entry errors. Start from your Xero dashboard with payroll access enabled. First, open the payroll area. This is where all your pay settings, employee records, and pay runs live. From here, go to employees. This list shows everyone already set up in your payroll, and it's also where you'll add new people. Select New Employee. Instead of manually completing every field yourself, we'll use Xero's self-onboarding feature. Click Invite to Self-Onboard. This creates a guided form the employee completes themselves, which typically includes personal details, tax information, and bank account details. It's efficient and helps ensure accuracy because the data comes directly from the source. Next, choose Employee as the type. This confirms that the person is part of your payroll as an employee, not a different worker type. After that, open the Select Income Type menu. You'll see options that align with how the person is paid. Choose Salary and Wages. This is the standard choice for most hires who are paid a salary or hourly wage. Selecting the correct income type ensures tax and reporting are handled correctly downstream. Now, enter the basic details for the invite. Type the employee's first name and last name exactly as they should appear on payslips and reports. Consistent spelling helps match records across systems. Then, type their email address. Use an email they check regularly since this is where the onboarding link will be delivered. It's a good idea to quickly double check for typos. An accurate email is essential for a smooth start. With those details set, click Send Invite. Xero will email the new hire a secure link to complete their profile. You'll see them appear in your employees area with a status that indicates the invite has been sent. Once they finish the self-onboarding form, their information will flow back into Xero payroll ready for you to review and use in your first pay run. That's it. You opened payroll. Go. Went to employees, created a new employee, used invite to self-onboard, confirmed the person is an employee, set the income type to salary and wages, entered their first name, last name, and email, and sent the invitation. Following these steps helps you set up new hires quickly, accurately, and securely in Xero.